Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us the Mi Band 3. So in this video, let's cover up some things that nobody talking about, including some great features, some weird bugs, and an amazing offer from HealthifyMe which will grab you over $4.99 worth of purchase at the end part of this video. So let's start, shall we? So guys, I bought my Mi Band 3 on 28th September but was unable to create the unboxing video. So I thought let's combine the unboxing and review together after 21 days of the usage. So here's the fast forward unboxing. So the Mi Band 3 comes in this cool box with the sensor inside this cardboard flap. So we have to just push it and then you are good to go. Then it also comes with the old fashioned band. Now this is kind of a different material. It is much softer, but my friend Pratik got some irritation with it. I don't know why. And it comes with this cool manual, and I got special instruction from the team to read this manual because this is completely now in English and it tells you all the amazing features of the Mi Band 3 and a complete guide. So have a read. That's unusual, but have a read. And also inside the box you get your charging cradle, which is also same from the last year. So guys, I'm using my Mi Band 3 with more than 21 days now. So today we are going to talk about some serious bugs, some amazing features, and an amazing offer from HealthifyMe. So let's start. So first of all, as we know that Mi Band has been good when it comes to strap packing. It has been in tradition of Xiaomi, a very good band. I also used the Mi Band tool. It was incredible. And of course with Mi Band 3, it is no brainer. It is still better. But what I found a serious bug is that it also calculates your steps inside the vehicle. Now there are many other fitness trackers, like even the Fitbit, the entry level band also do that. But when I remember in my Mi Band 2, it didn't do. For example, from 5 to 10 steps of inaccuracy in a vehicle is okay. But when your band calculates twice or thrice your actual steps in the vehicle, that's just a real brainer. So I contacted the team for that. For example, this is the date. It is 10/10. I was in Bhuj, that is in Gujarat, and I was traveling from 12 p.m. to basically 12 at midnight in vehicle, and you can see the amount of steps it calculated. Of course the road there was not very good. It was very bummer, so I expect that, but okay. According to me, I might travel around 4 to 6,000 steps. Now because I am used Mi Band, I can tell that steps. Okay, it is not accurate of course, but it is near that value. So it calculates 15,000 steps. It is twice and thrice. So this is a real bug, and the team replied me that they will fix this soon with an update. Now it has been good when it comes to update for Xiaomi. They always provide in good updates. They fix it, but they also bring a new bug. So let's hope that this will be fixed. Of course it will, but it will take a little bit time. Okay. Other than that, the steps calculate has been good. So for example, let's just have a look at the steps of yesterday. And it has been accurate. It has been good. It is perfectly the 7.7 kilometer. Yeah, everything is good. Of course, no doubt. Now this was the one bug. Now the second bug is that if you go to the Mi Band 3 settings, and if you go to the heart rate detection, now this is something called automatic heart rate detection. So if you turn it on, it will drain your battery, but it will calculate your steps according the way you tell it to do. For example, you can set the frequency to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. But the problem with Mi Band 3 bug it is that it always calculates every 5 minutes. So even now my frequency is 30 minutes, it's still gonna track every 5 minutes, which also drains the battery a lot. And again, the Xiaomi team replied that they're gonna fix this soon. Okay. Alright, so when it comes to battery, now this is kind of a hit or a miss. Now Mi Band 3 has a larger battery, that is 110 mAh. Now of course it has a bigger display, a better features, the battery gonna be less. According to Xiaomi, if you go to the Xiaomi Mi store page, it says that the battery will last basically 20 days. So you can see approx 20 days, okay. Now this approx and this one tells that in ideal condition. So when every feature of the Mi Band 3 is turned off, then only you will get a 20-day of battery life. For my scenario, I got around 15 days of battery life, which has been good and happy with the performance. Now, Mi Band 3 has been come over a point where it is kind of a smartwatch now, and 15 days for a smartwatch is incredible according to me. Okay, but yeah, if you are coming from Mi Band 2, you will feel like a bummer because Mi Band 2 battery life was much better, but of course it was having a smaller screen. So after fixing all the bugs, I think I can reach till 18 days. Now it's 15 days for my battery life. For like 15 days in the single charge, it can go up to 18 days, but it can also be completely different. Maybe a new bug arrived and my battery life go to the 12 bugs. Now there are many people in the group. I'm in the official group. There are many people in the forum reporting a serious battery drain in the Mi Band 3. So take my words, turn every feature off. Just use it as a step tracker and a watch. And if your battery lasts longer than 10 days, then you are good to go. If your battery is less than 10 days, it lasts less than 10 days, go ahead, take your bill to the service center and get it replaced ASAP. Now, Xiaomi service centers has been really good. The service is good. They give you a replacement. Even Girish in our group, in the WhatsApp Tech Show group, got the replacement. His battery was dying within 2 hours. That was, holy smokes, that was incredible. Incredible in bad ways, of course. So get it replaced if it is less than 10 days, turning all the features off. Rest battery life is good. It's not incredible, but for the amount of features that you get for a smartwatch, it has been great. So now you came across 3 bugs, that is heart rate detection, step counting, and battery life. Now let's have a look at some of the amazing features of Mi Band 3. Now, if you remember in exercise mode, you have to go to the workout and start this exercise mode. Okay. Now this has been since Mi Band 1, but now with the Mi Band 3, the exercise mode is built in, and it came after an update. So many people who did the unboxing didn't mention that because it came after an update. So now if you can see, this is an exercise mode. Okay. Now as soon as I press it, it will start. Fasten your belts, 3, 2, 1, and go. And you can basically go to the gym, start jogging or start running, as well as you can stop it or you can pause it. So if it is paused, I can play it, and to quit, I will just, and it won't record because time is too short to be recorded, of course. So that is also good feature. And I incredibly love it. So let me show you how it tracks. So if you go here, last workout, and you can see the exercise. So it lasted for 64 minutes and I relaxed 6 minutes. This is really accurate in my opinion. Minimum heart rate, and it continuously track your heart rate. And even with this exercise mode turned on, I still got a 15 days of battery life, which has been incredible in my opinion. So 162 minimum, 127 max, okay, average heart rate. So it has been good. But if you use the phone exercise mode, then it will also have GPS. So let me show you that. If I go to the workout, 7 workouts, all, okay. So if you use the phone exercise mode, then it will also have GPS and it will track where you go. So it opens kind of the Google Maps and give you the tracking. So both are good. I think the exercise mode built in the Mi Band 3 is an incredible feature. It saves a lot of time and you can start working out. Of course, Mi Band just motivates you to do exercise. That's good. Now, notification. Alright, this is a very good feature. Like everyone talking about that. It's kind of weird to have it on a small screen, but it gets the job done. And you can see there is no icons for emojis. So, but everything works fine. And also you can clear it, which is good. I think it's out of focus. Sorry for that. Okay, and watch face. Come on, this is great. So if you go to the more section, and if you go to screen, you can see there's some amazing screens out there. And this is the default one, but I like to keep this one. Let's see, because it is just much better in my opinion. It gives you this say status bar, we can say like, is your goal reached? It helps to motivate you to keep jogging, and it has a day, date and time. Another great feature is stopwatch. Now again, every digital watch has stopwatch, but Mi Band 2 didn't, and Mi Band 3 brings that mode to your watch. So this is a stopwatch, you can just start it. This is also a good feature. You can pause or you can just stop it. Okay. And silent mode, I mean, just look at this one. Okay, it's, for example, you're busy, like your phone is in your pocket or something, and your silent mode is turned off in a meeting. No problem, just go to the silent mode, press and hold, turning off. There you go, live, no problem. Even your phone is locked, you were silent. An incredible feature. Now Xiaomi has also partnered with HealthifyMe. Let me show you. So if you go to the Mi store, you can see HealthifyMe. Buy a Mi Band 3 and get a consultation with HealthifyMe 5 finest nutrition trainer worth $4.99. So basically, HealthifyMe is an app, is a health app, which basically tracks your steps, the amount of food you eat, and give you suggestions like eat less, eat more, eat these calories. And they have some very good consultancies that will help you over a call to make you fit. So all you have to do is just go to this free section, and here you will find a Mi Band 3 layout. Now I've already activated. You can see free consultation expires in 13 days. So as soon as you sign in the app, go right here, you will find a Mi Band 3 section. And once you do that, let me show you that screenshot that I took. I saved that screenshot. Okay, so you will get this screen which says that get your free consultation worth $4.99 absolutely free, and you have to just go to your box, the Mi Band 3 that you purchase, and here you can see the serial number. Put the serial number after the slash. I don't know whether it is focusing or it is out of focus. Focus is totally a mess today. Okay, so 001699939. So this is your code. Now you can't really mind code because I've already did that. So just paste the code here, and it will say congratulations, welcome to HealthifyMe Premium. Click on the button below to select proceed. So basically it will select an expert for you, and he or she will call you and give you a dieting plan. Also there is a plan guidelines. So never skip breakfast. Start your day with a glass of lukewarm water, and it will give you suggestions to improve your health lifestyle. And by the reviews, I'm really impressed. Like, people are really affected in good ways with this app. Also, you have reminders, and you have great features in this app. The best thing is that if you go to the app and devices section, here you can see to connect with Mi Fit or Mi Band, please connect to Mi Fit with Google Fit. HealthifyMe app will sync with Google Fit and fetch your step count from there. So again, there is no the Mi Fit direct in-app connect, because they don't have an open source Mi Fit platform. So what they do is they choose the Google Fit, and if you go in the Mi Fit app, you can actually pair your Mi Fit with your Google Fit. Let me show you how you can do that. So just go to add accounts, and you can see Google Fit. Go ahead and pair it. So I've already paired it. Remove with Google Fit, you can see. So once you pair this, just go ahead in the HealthifyMe app and connect with Google Fit, and all your steps will be synced. And it is kind of a social network like the Fitbit or SOA, where you get points when you do good things, like when you do exercise, when you eat less. So I got 30 points in day 1, and streak is 2. That's good. That's nice. It says relax today, track your food, but don't push yourself. Cheat day today. Alright, that's nice. That's nice. So overall, Mi Band 3 is a great device, and again, call features is also amazing. You can just accept the call. That's been good. This is highly recommended. I will leave the Amazon links in the description below so you can shop that. Thanks so much. So guys, that's pretty much for this video. Hope you like the HealthifyMe 5 offer and the review of our channel. Basically, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I might bring more videos after an update comes, and maybe the bug fixes, maybe new features arrive. Basically, I think they also will introduce new faces, which is good. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now. This is highly recommended.